Imagine a cold winter morning in ancient Greece, over 2000 years ago. A young man walks through the busy streets of Athens. People are buying food, talking, laughing. But this man is different. He stops strangers and begins talking to them. He wants to know something. He wants answers. What is he doing? His name is Socrates. He is not a king. He is not a soldier. He is a philosopher. Socrates walks barefoot through the city. He wears simple clothes. But everyone knows him. Why? Because he asks questions that nobody else dares to ask. Socrates has a special power. He knows how to ask questions. Simple questions. Deep questions. Questions that make people think. When someone says they know the truth, Socrates asks them to explain. When they explain, he asks another question. And another. Soon, people realize they do not know as much as they thought. The marketplace in Athens is always busy. Merchants sell olives and wine. Politicians give speeches. Artists create beautiful sculptures. But Socrates is not interested in buying or selling. He walks among the people, asking questions. He asks about justice, truth, and wisdom. His questions change how people think. But where does this word come from? The word we use when we want to know something? The word is ask. It comes from old Germanic languages spoken in Northern Europe thousands of years ago. In Old English, people said axian. In Old Norse, they said asker. These ancient words meant to request, to seek, or to demand. When people needed something, they would ask. When they wanted knowledge, they would ask. The word traveled across Europe, changing slowly over centuries. Traders carried it from village to village. Scholars wrote it in ancient books. Slowly, the word spread across the land. During the Middle Ages, the word became askin in English. People asked for food. They asked for help. They asked questions to learn. Kings asked their advisors for wisdom. Students asked their teachers for knowledge. The word became part of everyday life. It was more than just a word. It was a tool for survival, for learning, for connecting with others. Socrates never stopped asking questions. Even when powerful people became angry with him, he continued. Why? Because he believed asking questions is the path to wisdom. He did not give answers. He helped people find answers themselves. His method becomes famous. People call it the Socratic Method. Teachers still use it today, over 2000 years later. Today, asking remains one of the most important skills in life. Scientists ask questions to discover new medicines. Journalists ask questions to find the truth. Children ask questions to learn about everything. When you ask, you show courage. You admit you do not know everything. You open your mind to new ideas. By the time of Shakespeare, the word had become ask, exactly as we use it today. In his plays, characters ask about love, power, revenge, and truth. The word appears hundreds of times in his works. Why? Because asking is human nature. We ask because we are curious. We ask because we need help. We ask because we want to understand the world. Think about Socrates walking through Athens over 2000 years ago. Then think about a student in a classroom today. Both are doing the same thing. Both are asking questions. Both are learning. The word has traveled through time, but its meaning remains the same. Asking connects the past to the present. On Wordscience, we explore how words travel through history. We discover their origins. We learn their stories. Every word has a journey. Every word connects us to people who lived long ago. When you learn a word's history, you understand it better. You remember it longer. You use it with confidence. So here is a question for you. What question have you been afraid to ask? What do you want to know? What mystery makes you curious? Remember, every expert was once a beginner who was not afraid to ask. Every teacher was once a student who asked questions. Every leader was once someone who asked for guidance. The ancient Greeks had a saying, "The only true wisdom is knowing you know nothing." Socrates proved this by asking questions his whole life. He never stopped learning. He never stopped asking. And neither should you. Asking is not weakness. It is strength. It is wisdom. It is the beginning of all knowledge. Thank you for watching Wordscience. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Tell us what word you want to learn about next. Keep asking questions. Keep learning. Keep growing. Your journey with words starts here.